What's up, Roblox Squad? I'm Max Blocks, aka Max. Oh, frick. I messed up. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna.
It's Duckies.
And we're in a sequel called Don't Press the Button.
Get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way!
Oh, shoot! Ah!
No, what the?
What the hell? We're in again. It's raining duckies. You probably saw that in the beginning.
Is this Training Max?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
Where did I go?
What the frick? Whoa!
Wait, did you die?
What the hell was that, Jalissa?
Oh, we're jumping? Oh, got you. Jump, oh.
Bouncing, I hopped into the coffee shop. I don't know why.
I'm going this one.
Me, wait, Joseph, I want to be with you.
What is that?
You don't take my sister away from me, you stupid new bacon. I'll kill you one day and I'll destroy you like Jesse did. Just stay alive, Jalissa.
We're so high up.
What the hell was that?
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
I think I saw that.
It's raining
My
tacos
from out of the sky.
Tacos.
Remember that song
No
from
need to
I
ask
played
why.
where the
Just
Enderman came
open
back
your
in?
mouth
Like the
and
MC.
close your eyes.
It's like raining.
It's raining tacos.
Who do you think I am, Max? Minecraft Max?
Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos.
Yum, yum, yum. It's like a dream. Remember this song?
That's my car? Yes, what is it? My name
It's from Hello Neighbor.
Oh, yeah! It's like in Hello Neighbor. Oh, frick. What the? What? I just got killed by a noob!
Kill me.
Frick! Oh, oh, oh. Joseph, why the hell do you sound like that?
I see like a dinosaur.
What the frick? That doesn't sound like a dinosaur to me. No, not again! That bacon's gonna die! I hope that bacon dies because she took you from me. Because you're my damn sister! No one takes my sister from me!
I'll push the button.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Out in the street. Tacos.
What the hell?
All you can eat. Lettuce and
What the hell? Do we have to stay in this red circle? Wait, I thought it was on I thought it was a challenge. What the frick? What the hell? I just freaking died. Oh shoot!
Hey, look, I'm gonna push his roll. Keep jumping, jump if you jump.
Oh frick! Whoa! What the hell? Wait, I want to see what happened. It just dropped me. It usually comments my death. Oh no, I didn't mean. Oh shoot! Don't want that to happen again.
That was a ball.
Wow.
I thought it was like a little thing. I thought it was like a little circle thing in there.
Oh, again?
Which should look like the other
Maybe, yeah. This is the last time. This is the last one. Well, guys, this is the end. So, like and subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends or family. Okay, one more. I'll see you guys in the next Roblox video. Peace. Oh, come on. Fine, one more.
Okay.
Then we're ending that.
One more for the fans. Next time.
For my fans.
Yeah, you gotta get on the top.
I was the first one.
You're the leader.
Anyways, guys, this is for real, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends and family. So I'll see you guys in the next Roblox video. Peace.